How's it going, guys? I'm back with another NBA 2K14 My Team video, and today I have 150,000 VC, so you guys know the grind for Shaq is gonna be real today. Now, each video is gonna be split into different parts. So every 50,000 VC, as we get Mono Ginobili, every VC oh my gosh, I don't even know what the heck I'm even saying anymore. Each video, I'm gonna do a 50K pack opening. So I'm gonna open 50K. And I'm gonna stop it, and then I'm gonna start up another 50K. So this, I don't know how long this is gonna take, but I'm assuming it's probably gonna take a few videos. Probably no less than 3 because I have 150K. This pack we get Iggy. Earlier in the game I had Iggy, but he had a really bad free throw release. I think he had like a 57 free throw, so I was like, hey, he's gotta go. I mean, I have to have people that could shoot free throws on my team, you know. So I think I'm just rambling on, but yeah, so 50K each video is probably going to be pretty interesting as we get Marching or Todd here. Not too bad. We get Closer. I don't really use these other ones. I kind of use them sometimes. I don't know if they're really helpful at all, but I do use them sometimes. I mainly use the stamina ones because my centers, such as Patrick Ewing, they have really low stamina levels, so I do use the stamina things. So, on to the next pack we go. We get Chris Mullins. Okay, that's not too bad. That's definitely actually a really good pull right there. We already have him, but I would definitely take that. So, not too bad of a pull there. Now we have one more pack, and then I'm just going to do a quick recap of everybody I've gotten so far. And I'm going to go through the stats a little bit. We get Dave DeBusschere. I don't have him yet, so that's going to expand the Legend Collection a little more. Definitely. So that's, pretty much it right there. Nothing too good, I guess, so far. So we're just going to check out who we've gotten so far. I believe in this one we got Marching Gortat, we got Manu, and we got Iggy, and we got Chris Mullin, which you already have. So just going to check out these players' stats. Get Dave DeBusschere, so yeah, I don't know why he's a gold. He doesn't have a single stat that's in the 90s. Like, oh, actually he does. Okay, stamina, which really doesn't count, honestly. Stamina and those, like, durability, those really don't count, honestly, because, I mean, either way, I mean, it's really not a, it's not a stat that stands out. But here's Iggy. You see right there, he has a 57th free throw, which is horrible. Everything else with like his dunking and his vertical is pretty awesome. Just a quick recap here. Next we got Manu, of course, the left-handed bandit. I just made that up. Don't quote me on that. I don't think that's his real nickname. I don't think that's his real nickname, but he has really good layup stats. Definitely gonna use him for the Euro step. Here's Chris Mullin. I think did they have the same Euro step attributes? Oh, he's got a 73. I use the Euro step a lot with Chris Mullin, and he pretty much makes just about all of them. So if he makes about all of them, I'm pretty sure Manu will probably make every single one. But here's Marching Gortat, 6'11", 98 standing layup. Not really good other stats. He's got an 85 block, okay. Rebounding's there, awareness is really low. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to leave a like. And beware for the next pack opening. But I'll see you over there. Thanks for watching, guys.